Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Kaizer Chiefs complete signing Starlet giving Simango. One is gearing up his squad as we approach the end of the season 2022-2023. Kaizer Chiefs are among other Dstv Premiership teams who are tightening up their squad preparing for next season. Kaizer Chiefs are showing a huge intention of making their squad to be more strong as they completed their dead signing for the 2023-2024 season. Earlier this year, Amakhosi announced they had signed Botswana's captain Thayando Dikotlwe from SuperSport United. Recently, Amakhosi signed the TS Galaxy Starlet captain Giving Msimango, according to SABC Sports and Farpost. The 25-year-old Giving Msimango, who was the defender at TS Galaxy, was seen at Naturena earlier Saturday to put pen to paper. This young defender agreed to a 4-year deal to keep him at the club until 2028. According to your opinion, is these new signings of Amakhosi worth the chase of Kaizer Chiefs? Will they bring the good impact in the Naturena camp? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page.